You ever looked for a Solidsuit for your phone? Well, I might have the thing for you, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, shout out to Rhinoshield for sending me over the Solidsuit cases for the 16 Pro Max. So let's check these out. So, what we have here, so we've got the Solidsuit Black, Deep Mauve, and the Ultramarine. So let's have a look. Oh, we've got buttons as well. Lovely. Okay, so that's like a pinky colour. That is not what I thought mauve was. I thought mauve was like a cream or something. So there we go. So there is the Solidsuit cases in these three colours. So shout out again, thanks to Rhinoshield for sending these over for review. Much appreciated. Thanks for supporting the channel. And yeah, so here we have the Solidsuit case. So I have been looking at these the past couple of years for the iPhone, and I always meant to get around to picking them up, but for the sheer amount of cases that I review, I always end up forgetting. And then Rhinoshield hit me up and I was like, do you know what, happy days, because I'll now not forget to pick this case up. So guys, thanks again for getting in touch and supporting the channel, much appreciated. So let's check these out. So I'm just curious, you can see there that the buttons are missing from this case, but we have these little packs of buttons in with them. And I'm just curious to see, if I just quickly pop the phone in here, can you access the buttons without it? No, you can't. So, right, okay, that answers my question, because I sort of thought, could you go without putting the buttons in and then, you know, give you that sort of option? But no, you don't. You need to install the buttons. So we'll do that first. Open these up. These are very easily installable. They just pop right in and Bob's your uncle. It also means then, if you do pick up other colours of this case, I'm sure you can interchange your buttons if you want to customise it a little bit. So I suppose that's a good thing as well. And there we go. So they are plastic buttons, so I would assume they're going to be clicky and tactile and responsive. So that is the natural marine in the natural titanium iPhone, which is very, very nice. So we'll just quickly weigh these other two cases. So there's the black, 44 grams. 42 grams. So there you go. That's obviously without the buttons, but I don't see the buttons making a big massive difference. And then obviously I've got the blue one here in the phone, so we'll just pop that on there. And 284 grams is what you're going to be carrying around in your pocket. So buttons. Buttons then, like I said, are plastic. They're plastic molded buttons. They have a little bit of a texture to them there as well, so it makes them grippy. So we'll just test them. Yeah, clicky, tactile, really responsive. That's what you want to see. And then the cutout then, so you can see here the cutout for the camera control is quite recessed and quite cut in, but it's smoothed off at the back of the phone there, and it's solid here on the front part, and it is a little bit flexible. As you can see there, you push down with your thumb, it's flexible where the camera control button is, but let's just test it and see. So yeah, the button is easily accessible and the touch features are easy to get to, so there's no issues there. So I'll just use my middle finger there as well. So yeah, no problems with that at all, which is good to see. So these are a relatively rigid case. You know, there's a little bit of flex in them, but they're relatively rigid in the middle. On the inside then we have this sort of textured pattern, and then we have our recessed MagSafe ring. Shock absorbent as well, so that's what you want to see. There is a little bit of width to it, but it is a nice case. So it is a full bumper case as well, so other than the cutout for the camera control, all edges of the phone are covered, which is what you want to see. There's our USB-C and speaker cutouts there. We've also got lanyard loophole here on the side, and then on the other side we have Rhinoshield's branding, which is subtle and it's quite nice. And on the back it's just nice and plain, not too bad at all. Let's just do the fitment test then. So let's just take the corners and give it a twist, and yeah, that case is not moving there, so the phone is well gripped inside the case. That's what you want to see. It's not going to pop out at the corners. Perfect. And then if we look at the screen lip then, so the screen lip is really, really good on this case. I do have a screen protector on this phone, so you've still got a really good lip even with that screen protector on. So if you set that down flat, you are going to get really good lift up protection there. That's what you want. Perfect. And the camera guard then, it is a plastic camera guard, and the lenses don't protrude out, so you get good set down protection there for those camera lenses. Set that down, no issues. Fantastic. It is a smooth case. It does kind of have like a little fine texture to it, and it does feel nice. And I will say, I really do like this case. It's very, very nice, and it looks to be a case that will be very hard wearing and protective as well. So it does have a good blend of protection and not being overly bulky, which is good to see. I do like that. It is very smooth, but I would imagine the more you use it, it is going to grip up. It is going to get a little bit more grippy the more you use it. It is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So let's check it out and see what these magnets are like. Oh yeah, that's really good. Really good. So yeah, that can take the full weight of the phone, and the phone can take the full weight of the stand. Those are really, really good. Holy heck. Those are really, really good. Big fan. Big fan. And then we'll just try the charging. Magsafe charging. You actually heard the thump of the phone there. It was like... And yeah, charging, no issues. It is maybe not the thinnest case, but there's no issues with charging at all. That's really, really good. That's what you want to see. And just for completeness then, we'll just show off the other cases. So I have been a bit of a maverick here. So I've installed the buttons onto these other two cases, but I've put the mauve buttons onto the black case, and I put the black buttons onto the mauve case, just to be different, just to show that you can customize them up a little bit. So we'll just pop that in there. So there you go. There's the black buttons on this case. So they are fully interchangeable. Really, really nice case, hard wearing case. And that there would be very, very nice with the white iPhone as well. So no doubt, because it's a pinky color, Kylie will be all over it. So that's the mauve. Also, if there is any other colors of these cases, I'll put an image up here on the screen so you can see them. But it'd be good to know, like if you do buy more than one of these cases, it's good to know that you can change the buttons around and stuff. And so there we go. So like I say, mauve buttons. So very, very nice. That's nice and sharp with the titanium. I like that. Those are nice. So what do you guys think of the Solidsuit case from Rhinoshield? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I'll leave you affiliate links for where you can pick these cases up. If there is other colours, I'll leave you links for them as well. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That'll be wraps up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. If you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.